So you think this is a normal car? Well, you're wrong. If you hold H, this thing can fly like a Deluxo, which is pretty neat and cool to do. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your car hover like the Deluxo. And this also only takes a minute to do. It's very easy to do. Change a few lines and your car can hover. For this tutorial, I require you to already have a car that you want to make fly/hover. Alright, so now I have the car here. I structure my server a little bit different, but I put my meta files and my 3D files all in the same folder and it will work for me. You do it however you like. I like it like this. So what you need to make the car fly/hover, you need to edit the handling.meta. So open the handling.meta in your favorite editor. I'll use Z for this and you should see something like this. Now to make it actually fly, you have to scroll all the way down and you should see sub-handling data. For some, it might be empty. Maybe you have it like this. You literally have nothing. So then you kind of have to type over sub-handling data manually and then also close it. So like this. So if you don't have it at all, copy this on 2 lines and then make a new line here. But I already had this, so let's keep this. This is for something else. This is some different car handling data. You can also keep this. There is no need to delete the car handling data. So what you want to do is go under the item, this one here. If you don't have anything here, you can just do it under this one. Make a new line. Because I already have a car handling data, this is an extra modification which you don't need to copy. This is for something else. You need to make a new line under this item. But if you don't have anything here, you don't have any items in your sub-handling data or the type is just null here, you still have to make a new line. So above the sub-handling data to keep it simple. So let's make a new line here and go to our Discord server and you should see in resources, a channel, how to make your car fly, and then you want to copy code. And then you want to paste it here. Make sure it's formatted nice. As you can see, it's not nice. So I'll press tabs a few times and now it looks way better. Let's also tab this one more time so it aligns nicely with this. So as you can see, this has a special name, CS special flight handling data. So this is the secret sauce that will make your car fly or hover. And you can tweak all of these settings to your likings if you wanted to make it faster or whatnot. Now it's ready. Let's save the file and let's start the server and see if it works. All right, let's spawn the car in, and as you can see, it spawned in without crashing. So let's try entering hover mode by holding H. And if your game crashes and you try to hover, that means the car is not compatible. I'll make a video on that, on how to make the car compatible to ensure it doesn't crash. But for most cars, it shouldn't crash. And as you can see, it works fine. You can go up and do whatever the Deluxo can do. So that is how you get your car to hover and fly in FiveM. We went from a stock vehicle to a fully airborne build. And if you followed along, you should be doing the same thing right now. The big takeaway here is that FiveM gives you way more control over vehicle behavior than most people realize. You do not need to wait for someone else to build a server with flying cars. You can set it up yourself in minutes. If this worked for you, drop a comment below and tell me what car you use. I want to see what everyone is flying around in. And if you are new here, and you want to keep learning how to build and customize your own FiveM server, subscribe because that's exactly what the channel is about. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.